Now, so what you need to do is to understand the importance of rapport, cordiality, and friendliness. To complete a task, you must articulate that task very clearly with definitions, with calibrations. So now that you know the destination, now that you know the target, it's important to make a roadmap, a method how to get there. Obviously, you need human beings, you need people in your group, in your club to help you to get to that target. And they also have ambitions, they also have interests. So, how are you accommodating their interests, their ambition in your movement towards the destination, near to the goal? So, you must have a collective goal with your group of people who are submitting and participating to your cause. So once you have that, do you have the talent and the skill to invite them along to go along with you? Your communication must have the appeal. It must sound informative and it must sound inviting. You have to bait the other person in a communication, bait in such a way that they bite your incentives. Are you able to compensate? Is your communication inviting enough for them to come forward and align with your cause, to have an affinity to the cause that you have in mind? So, is your word of communication inviting? And do they know the task in front of them? See, there will be hostilities, there will be opponent, there will be rivalry, there will be dissent, there may even be adversary. But where's your focus? Your focus should lift yourself out of that hostility and take you to the focus on the cause, on the functionality. Are you on the functionality? How to move forward to take the project along to its destination, to its goal, in spite of having hostile people or opponents who are part of your group. It's up to you to have the skill to convert them from their hostility towards you, to make them on your side, to maybe they want to collude with you so that you and them together can arrive at the destination together in a faster time. So here the talent and the skill is to establish cordiality, establish rapport, friendliness, and a communication from you that is inviting to the other persons. So as such, you make the group, get the goal set, keep the focus on the target, and know how to keep a focus on the functionality, not on the convenience and comfort, but on the functionality, and then arrive at the destination. So understand that good communication, inviting communication, very informative communication, and then the second thing is cordiality, friendliness, and rapport, and the third thing is the ability to overrule or overcome or override the potential hostility or pains. So keep a focus on the destination, understand the functionality, and ride over the hostility. Enjoy completing the task.